If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to recall a previously executed command but can't remember the syntax, don't worry. You can easily retrieve a list of previously executed commands using the history command. You can also use it to perform various operations such as locating a command by its event number and even clearing the entire history. It is a handy trick to save time and avoid retyping complex commands. Let's dive in and learn how to use the history command effectively. And before I begin, I am thrilled to announce that our new course, Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners, is now available on Udemy. If you are looking to learn Linux from scratch or want to master it like a pro, check out the course. The course link is given in the description box. The history command in Linux is a powerful tool that displays previously executed commands along with their event numbers, making it easy to recall and reuse commands you have used before. It is an invaluable resource for learning and efficiently navigating the command line. The syntax for the history command is simple. Just type history. Optionally, you can add a number after the command to specify how many previously executed commands you want to see. Interestingly, the manual page for the history command does not provide a specific syntax. To view all available options for the history command, simply type man history. Now, if you press Q, you will exit this page. In the first example, let's see how to display all previously executed commands. For that, type in the terminal history. Hit enter and see it shows all the previously executed commands in the system. Sometimes you just want to view a number of previously executed commands, not all of them. To do that, you just need to type a number after the history command and the command will then show the number of the last command. For example, I am typing in the terminal history 5 and you can see the last 5 commands in the terminal. Again, if I type history vertical bar tail -5, then you can see I also get the last 5 commands in the terminal. If you ever want to find your last executed command by just the event number, you can use the exclamatory symbol and write the event number. Look, I am typing exclamatory symbol then 49. So this command will display the 49th command. So I am hitting enter and in the terminal, you can see the command with the event number and also the output. Now, if you want to search within the history, you can use the grep command with the history command. Let's say you want to find the command that used head as a key phrase. So type history vertical bar grep head. Hit enter and here you can see all the possible matches of the commands involving head. Suppose you want to remove an instance of the previously executed command from the history. In that case, you can use the -d option. For example, from the list, I will remove the command with event number 139. So I am typing history -d 139, hitting enter. Now if I again run the command history 5, then you can see the history 5 command is no longer available, which was the command with an event number 139. If you want to remove or delete all the history of the previously executed commands, you can use the -c option. For that, type history -c, hit enter and see everything inside the history has been deleted. Now if I run the command history, then you can see everything inside the history command has been deleted. In conclusion, the history command is often used to keep track of all the commands used in the past. But you can also keep your privacy by deleting some or all of the history. For further knowledge, check out the video description for article link and comments. I hope it helps you in your learning and future endeavors with Linux. Thank you.